In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted tasks in a project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive straight into it. If you've ever had a moment where you realized a task went missing or you accidentally deleted something important from your Asana project, you're not alone. Thankfully, there's a straightforward way to retrieve a list of those deleted tasks, helping you to manage your projects more effectively. First things first, you need to start by opening the specific project in Asana that you want to audit. This is where all of your tasks are organized, and it's crucial that you're looking in the right project to find what you need. So go ahead and click on the project from your dashboard. Once your project is open, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You should see a search icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Go ahead and click on that. It might seem like a simple step, but it's the gateway to accessing some powerful tools in Asana. Now, after you've clicked the search icon, look for the 3 small dots right next to it. When you click on those 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you'll want to select the option that says Go to Advanced Search. This takes you to a more detailed search functionality where you can refine your inquiry. In the Advanced Search settings, you will find various fields that let you filter through tasks in great detail. One of these fields is labeled Status. This is where the magic happens when it comes to finding deleted tasks. So find the Status field and give it a click. Now here's where you want to pay close attention. Change the status parameter to Deleted. This action effectively tells Asana that you're specifically looking for tasks that have been removed from your project. It's a straightforward adjustment, but it's crucial for zeroing in on the right information. Once you have set the status to Deleted, you're almost there. All that's left is to run the search. At the bottom of the Advanced Search window, click on the Search button. This will generate a list of all tasks that have been removed from your project. Depending on how frequently tasks are deleted in your workspace, you might see a short list or a longer one, but either way, you'll now have access to those tasks that seemed lost. By following these steps, you're not just recovering information, you're also enhancing your project management skills and keeping your teams accountable. Remember, whether it's for checking on progress or simply ensuring nothing important has gone astray, knowing how to view deleted tasks is a valuable part of your toolkit in Asana. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Asana and maximizing your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.